A lot of friends have been asking, if the CT500 has a trading thing going on. They're like, is it for real or just some scam? Well, guess what? It's totally true. It's time to say goodbye to that old machine of yours. And get this, if you happen to have a car fuel injector clean and test machine, no matter the brand and age, you can actually use it to trade in the all-tool CT500. How cool is that? Now let's talk about how you can apply to. Step 1. Send a message to our Facebook customer service or shoot us an email. That's all it takes to confirm your eligibility for the trading program with our online crew. Step 2. Return your old machine to the designated spot for inspection. And here's the best part. Once it's approved, our customer service will hook you up with a CT500 exclusive replacement coupon with $200. Step 3. Once you've got that coupon in your hands, it's time to redeem. It only takes $599 after discount. All2 will ship the brand new CT500 right to you. Oh, and if you're curious and want to know more about the event, feel free to check out the comments section. And if you've got any questions, you can always swing by the All2 live room for some answers. We've got you covered.